Hello, everybody. I am Melanie Byrne, realtor in Austin with New Home Realty, and I am so excited to be here and bring you this video because I am going to help you, those of you who have waited till the last minute, protest your taxes. Very simple. A lot of people are nervous, intimidated, or just don't know how to protest your taxes, and it's very easy. So I'm going to walk you through the steps on what to do, what everything means, and hopefully save you thousands of dollars. As a homeowner, you should always be protesting your taxes every year. Be sure to file your homestead exemption. If you are living in the home, file your homestead. It will decrease the market value of your home. It will take off $25,000 on what the county deems as the market value of your home. So $25,000 free bucks is going to lower it. No reason not to do it. That is another video. And if you have any questions on how to file your homestead, please reach out to me and I'd be more than happy to go through that with you. Okay, without further ado, let's get into how to do this. Okay, so whenever you get this lovely document in the mail, it is basically saying what the county is saying your home, the market value of your home is. So they have this word on here, the word market value. And I'm going to explain what market value means. So basically, the market value of something is whatever somebody is willing to pay for that item. So it's whatever somebody is willing to pay for your home in this case. So the county is saying that we think that the market value, or what somebody would pay for your house, what it would sell for, is, in this case, $373,910. If you are not actively selling your house, or you have not met with a licensed realtor like myself, there's really no way that you know what the market value of your home is. The county definitely does not know what the market value of your home is because they've never set foot in your home. So that's why you always have the option to protest your taxes. Let's say that you want to sell your car, okay? And, you know, we always feel like our possessions are worth more than they might be worth. We have to be realistic, and you will only sell something at the price that someone else is willing to pay for it. So if you want to sell your car, let's say that Kelley Blue Book says it's worth $5,000. And you're like, no, mine's in great condition. It's worth $5,500. You price it at $5,500, doesn't sell. So you know that the market value is not $5,500 on that car. So you lower it to $5,000. Still doesn't sell. You lower it to $4,600 and bam, you sell your car. So the market value, or how much somebody is willing to pay for your car, is $4,600. So there you go. There's a little real estate 101. When it comes to protesting your taxes, the county is saying that this person's property is worth $373,910. This is just some more information. It kind of goes through the exemption, how much the exemption affected your taxes and whatnot. Right here, same kind of thing. So they're saying that the taxable amount for the Austin taxes is this much. This is what the tax rate is. These taxes were done in Manchac, Texas, which, if you don't know, Manchac taxes are lower. Well, I mean, not the entire area of Manchac, which is right before you get to Buda. It's right on that line of Hayes and Travis, but it's still in Travis. However, in Manchac, you don't pay a city tax, so your taxes are lower, which is 1.89 compared to 2.22, 2.23, depending on where you are. So taxes are a little lower, which, hey, every penny counts, especially when they're going up and up every single year. So that's what this right here explains, how much you are being taxed on and what the tax rate is, and it goes into more detail right there. Now this is a little interesting. This is pretty easy to understand, but you can see that this homeowner last year, this is what their home, their market value was. $361,566, okay? And so That's what they paid taxes on for 2018. And what they are saying propose in 2019 to 373. Right here, they kind of like break it down, right? So they're saying that the market value of the building is 306,566. The value of the land is 55,000, and there it looks like this is not an agriculture piece of land, and there aren't any mineral rights or anything minerals on there, so it's just a real easy calculation of 361,566. You can see right here that they raised the market value of the building to 318,910, and the value of the land, the market value of the land, has stayed the same, and that's how they got that. Okay, so you can see that the deadline, so make sure that if you are going to protest your taxes through the mail, you do have until midnight to protest your taxes. Make sure that you postmark this. Okay, so this is the form. Read the directions. As a former educator, read the directions. I'm not going to go over everything with you. You can see that the Travis County website is right here. If you live in Hays County, the website to protest your taxes in Hays is right here. If you need anything, let me know and we will help you out. All right, so let's get into the protesting. So step one, this is all pre-filled out. Privacy reasons, we went ahead and just whited it out, but this is all pre-filled. So your name or the names of the homeowners will be right there, and they will have a legal address right here, 123 Banana Street. You don't need to put your phone number unless you want to. Email address, you can see that that is not optional. Now right here, step two, describing your property that is under protest. Now remember, you are protesting your taxes. The county has never been inside your home. You could have laminate floors. You could have wood floors. You could upgrade it to marble floor. You could have gold floors. The county does not know that. There's no reason for them to know. Now, as we know, a home that had wood floors versus laminate, the wood floors market value would be higher. However, the county has never been in your house, so they don't know. You can give them some info about your property and describe it. You don't have to. So up to you. If you might want to describe the negative parts or just leave it blank. This property ID and ref ID too, that is all going to be filled out already for you. If you have a manufactured home, you can give them the make, model, and ID number, or you cannot. It's up to you. All right, so what we're going to be focusing on in step 3, we are right here. Right here it says check reason or reasons for your protest. More than likely, it will be the incorrect appraised or market value, and the value is unequal compared to other properties. All these other ones, it could potentially apply to you. However, go through them. If it does, mark it. If not, leave them alone. But we are going to focus on those two. So you would check this one and this one if they apply to you. They have some other options, like the owner's name is incorrect and the property description is incorrect. So mark whatever is applicable to your property. So step 4, you are going to give facts that may resolve your case, and then you can also use the back if needed. That is where you are going to give your evidence. So first, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to kind of know the market value of your home is. If you need some comps, talk to your local realtor. Ask them for some comps to help you protest those taxes. What they'll do is they will look at the homes that have sold in the last 90 or 120 days that are comparable to yours, and they'll send them to you. More than likely, pull in the ones that are of lesser value. You can also go on your county appraisal district website. Everything is public record. Look up your address and a map will pop up, and you are actually able to click on other properties. So if you know Billy Bob's house down the street and your house are kind of similar, look at what Billy Bob's house is appraised at. The good thing about being a procrastinator and waiting until the last day or within the last few hours is your neighbors have more than likely already protested their taxes, gotten their taxes to be lowered. So you have that to back you up in addition to the comps that are lower than what county is saying the market value of your home is. So you can also go online and see what their home that is comparable to yours is valued at, or what the county is saying the appraisal value is, and use that as evidence as well. A little advice: if you go onto the appraisal district website for your county, whenever you're looking at your property up or any property up by address, the system can be a little finicky or be a little sensitive whenever searching a property. So you will have the option to search via various ways. The easiest is putting in your property address. However, if you live at 123 Banana Street, try 123 Banana and leave off street, whether you're going to abbreviate it or not, because more than likely it will not pull up your property like that. It'll just say no records found. So just a little bit of advice. This part right here, what do you think your property's value is? Which is optional. You can fill that out, or you cannot fill it out. So let's say that Billy Bob's house was lowered to $355, okay? And y'all have the same floor plan. And you think that your property's value is worth $360. What value do you think the county is going to go with? So you can leave it, or you can just let it be. Up to you. Step 5 is just asking you what kind of hearing you want. And do you want the county appraisal district evidence? Do you want that packet sent to you and how they are justifying the market value or what you're going to be paying taxes on sent to you? Yes or no? Then you'll print your name. Then you'll sign it. And that's it. So that's basically how you protest your taxes if you're going to mail in that form. And even if you're going to do it online, that is just a really quick explanation on what it means, kind of how to go about protesting your taxes. Now, one little thing I do want to touch on is, let's say you already kind of know that your house is being taxed on a lower number than what the other homes comparable in your neighborhood are being taxed on. For example, what they're saying is market value is $240,000. But Billy Bob's house is very comparable to yours. Maybe even the same floor plan, almost identical, within the same range, 5 years of being built. And he's paying taxes on $275. If you get your appraisal letter and they're saying, well, it was $240 last year and now it's $250, do you really want to bring attention to that? So think about it. If you do, and you still want them lowered because you feel like that is too much of an increase, it has increased 10% in a year. The market in Austin is doing really well, and the surrounding areas is doing phenomenal. However, I don't think homes are appreciating at 10% a year, so you could use that as evidence if you wanted to. Again, contact your local real estate agent and ask them on what they feel the market has been appreciating, the percentage per year, and you can use that as data. That's pretty much it. If you need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out to me and or my team. You can reach me on my cell phone, call, text me 512-879-7561. Also, feel free to shoot me a message on Facebook, Instagram. You can email me at melanie@burnrealtyteam.com, and we would be more than happy to help. We hope this video has been of value in helping you protest your taxes. If you need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out. All we ask is that if you know anyone who is looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, that you give them our number or you give us their number, and we will be more than happy to help them out. We will take very good care of them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. 'Cause I'm gonna make this place yours.